How to draw a storm cloud, step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? I hope everyone is doing super fantastic today. So we're going to begin by drawing the top of our left cloud. We're going to have two clouds and they're both going to overlap. Right now, we're just going to begin by making the top and working our way down. If you notice, all of our lines will be similar to small seed-like shapes. Some of our lines will be a little bit longer, but they'll still have a little bit of a curve to them. And the really cool part about today's drawing is that you can make your clouds a little bit bigger or a little bit different if you'd like to. You don't have to do the exact same thing, but if you want to, then that's okay as well. And if you're new to the channel, then I just want to say really quickly, welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub, and we upload every single day, so if you're looking for a new place to watch step-by-step drawing tutorials, then you're in the right place. So now from this point, we're going to draw the bottom of this cloud. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, so if you want to pause the video and match your colors, you'll be able to. Nicely done. So far we're making great progress. Now we're going to go right beneath the cloud that we just drew, and we're going to begin to draw the outline of the right cloud. We're going to begin by drawing the bottom of the right cloud. Now let's move back up towards the top and then work our way down. And if you want to continue to help grow the Learn How to Draw Hub drawing community, then be sure to like, subscribe, and comment and share with your friends all the videos that you watch, including this one. Right now we have just under 6,000 subscribers, and we have a big goal of hitting 10,000 by the end of the year, and with your help we'll definitely be able to do that. And I just want to say thank you for 1 million views so far on Learn How to Draw Hub. Fantastic, we're all done drawing the outline of our two clouds. As of right now, it looks like just one big cloud. We're going to go ahead and add in a curvy line to help separate these two clouds towards the center. So now if we're all done, on the right hand side, we're going to draw a lightning bolt. We're going to do this to both sides, but we're going to begin right here on the right hand side first. Great, now let's hop on over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing that we just did right here on the right side. Let's take a quick second to look back and see what we have drawn so far. So as of right now, we have the outline drawn of both of our clouds, along with 2 lightning bolts. So now on the inside of both of our clouds, we're going to add in detail by using small curved lines. We're going to add detail all over both of the clouds, so if you want to, you can get a little creative with this step as well. I think another good idea for a drawing video would maybe be a rain cloud. What do you think? Without the lightning bolts. Comment down below. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. Remember earlier on in the video how I said that there's going to be a picture at the very end so that you can match your colors if you want to? Well, I didn't lie. There's going to be a picture next. Feel free to pause the video if you want to at that point. And if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a big like and comment so that we can continue to grow our community together. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.